Afternoon, my little kids. How are you all? See, today we are going to learn English subject. Which subject is this? This is English subject. See, today finally we are going to start writing letter, but not a letter. Okay? See, today this is my new video. So today we are going to start writing letter. Okay, so finally we are going to start writing letters. Okay, so I hope you are thinking that you will make letter A first, right? You will make letter A first, right? No, first see, we have learned line concept, right? We have learned line concept about sleeping line and standing line, right? We have learned line concept about sleeping line and standing line. So with the help of this line concept, we are going to make a letter. We are going to start writing letter. Okay, so I hope you are thinking which letter, right? So with the help of these two line concept, we are going to make a letter E. We are going to learn letter writing with the help of line concept, because we have learned line concept. So we'll follow the line concept and we'll start writing a letter E first. We'll not start writing a letter A. Okay, we'll not start writing a letter A, but according to the pattern, according to the line concept, we will start writing letter E first. Okay, see, in my previous video you have learned about the line concept, right? Sleeping line and standing line. So according to the line concept, we are going to start writing letter E. Okay, will not write letter A, will not write letter B, will not write letter C, but direct will write letter E. Will write letter E. Okay, see, and I will teach you how to write letter E. Okay, you have to note down this one in your notebook, because now I have start writing letter. Okay, letter E. Okay, I think you might be surprised, no? Why ma'am is starting writing letter E directly, right? You might be surprised, but see, we are always teaching you how to write letter first with the help of line concept. Will not directly write a letter A. See, we have learned line concept of sleeping line and standing line. According to the pattern, we are going to start writing letter E. That's why we are writing directly letter E. Okay, we are writing directly letter E, because in my previous video you have learned line concept about sleeping line and standing line. So according to the both line concept, I am going to write letter E. I am going to teach you how to write letter E with the help of line concept. Okay, with the help of line concept. See, make a dot. Okay, and one more dot here, so that this dot will help you to make a straight line. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to make a straight line by joining these two dots. Okay, see, first We'll start with the standing line. See, standing line. This is, which line is this? This is standing line. Which line is this? This is standing line. And make here one more dot. Okay, and make a sleeping line. What is this? Sleeping line. Okay, this is called sleeping line. Okay, make one more dot here and make one more dot. See, this is also sleeping line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Now make one more dot here and make a one more sleeping line. So which letter is this? This is letter E. See, we are learning directly letter E, right? We are not writing letter A, we are not writing letter B, we are directly writing letter E because we are following the line concept. We are writing letter according to the line concept because we have learned standing line and sleeping line in my previous video. So we'll also like the letter according to the line concept. We'll follow the line concept and we'll start writing letter. First, which letter we are going to write? Letter E. Which letter is this? This is 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 letter E. And do you know what stands for letter E? E for eyes. This is eyes. E for eyes. Eyes. E for elephant. What is this? This is elephant. Okay, an elephant. Okay. E for elephant. And E for, what is this? Egg. E for egg. E for egg. Okay. So now rub this one. Now let's start writing here. Okay. Now make a dot. Make one more dot. Make a dot. Okay. Let's make a letter. We are going to write now letter E. See, you have to note down this one in your English notebook. So finally we have start writing letter, right? Finally we have start writing letter. So you need to practice and you have to write this one in your English notebook. Okay, now again see, I am teaching you how to write letter E. Okay, see, make a standing line, make a dot here, make a sleeping line, make one more dot here, make a sleeping line, make one more dot here, make a sleeping line. So which letter is this? This is letter E. Which letter is this? This is letter E. Okay. Now next make a dot. Please don't forget to make a dot. Okay. Make one more dot. And make one more dot. Now make a standing line. Okay, make a standing line, and then sleeping line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Make a dot. Make a sleeping line. Make one more dot. Make a sleeping line. Which letter is this? This is letter E. Which letter is this? This is letter E. Now once more, make a dot. Make one more dot. And make one more dot. How many dots? 1, 2, 3 dots. Okay. Make a standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Make a dot. Make a sleeping line. Okay. Make one more dot. Make a sleeping line. Make a dot. Make one more sleeping line. Which letter is this? This is letter C. Which letter is this? This is letter C. This is letter C. No. Which letter is this? This is letter E. E for what is this? You have to identify the picture also. Okay. Which picture is this? E for eyes. E for what is this? Elephant. E for elephant. And E for what is this? Egg. E for egg. See, this one is your worksheet just for practice. Okay, so this one you have to note down in your notebook. Okay, which notebook? English notebook. Which notebook? English notebook. Okay, now see here. See, you have to, I'm going to make a one dot. This is girl, okay? Sorry. I'm going to make one girl, okay? Little girl. This is girl face, okay? This is mouth. This is nose. See, this is a girl, okay? What is this? She's a girl. But can you find any thing in this picture? Something is missing here, right? Something is missing here. See, which letter is this? This is letter E. With the help of letter E, you have to complete these pictures, okay? You have to complete these pictures. So, see what is missing over here? What is missing over here? E for what is missing over here? Nose is there, eyes is there, sorry, mouth is there. What is missing here? You have to complete this picture with the help of letter E. With the help of letter E, you have to complete this picture. See, something is missing here. See, what is missing here? E for eyes. E for eyes. So, eyes is missing here, right? So, again, see, you have to complete this picture by making eyes. See, E for eyes. E for eyes. E for eyes. Now see, the picture is complete, right? E for eyes. E for eyes. See, you can also try this at home, okay? You will rub these eyes. You will not make a eyes. The eyes. You will ask your kids, okay? See, you will ask your kid to complete with the help of letter E. E for what is missing here? What is missing here? E for eyes. E for eyes. E for eyes. Eyes is missing here, so you will make a eyes and complete this picture. Okay. You will complete this picture. See, E for eyes. E for eyes. So, please note down this one in your notebook. Okay, English notebook. Okay, let's again revise. Which letter is this? This is letter E. Which letter is this? This is letter E. And which letter is this? This is also letter E. Which letter is this? This is letter E. And which letter is this? This is also letter E. E for eyes. E for elephant. E for egg. Okay? So, you need to practice how to write letter E. Finally, we have start writing letter E. So, you need to practice writing letter E with the help of line concept. Okay? Standing line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. How many sleeping line is there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 sleeping line and standing line is 1. With the help of see. Standing line. How many standing line? 1 standing line. How many standing line? 1 standing line. And make a sleeping line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. How many sleeping line? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. 3 sleeping lines. See, with the help of 1 standing line and 3 sleeping line, we have made letter E. Okay? See, whenever you are studying, whenever you are writing letter, you have to speak and write. Okay? See, whenever you are making standing line, you have to open your mouth. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Then which letter? This is letter E. Which letter is this? This is letter E. So, do practice this letter, how to write letter E. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Okay?